Do you know that English is the official language of our 70 countries? And in the era of globalization, fluency in English, both written and spoken, is critical for success in professional life because you need to secure a job. And when you get a job, you have to speak to your clientele and you have to maintain a cohesive business partnership with everyone. So as the globalization spreads, the need of knowing good English is increasing day by day. So what is the problem? You know, in India, we speak different languages. Our country is home to nearly 121 languages and 270 mother tongues. The majority of our students come from the rural areas and tier 2 cities. Mostly in those places, schooling happens in their mother tongue. So they know their language very well, but they struggle to speak English. They understand English, they can read, they can write, but speaking in English is a challenge for many. And this also applies to majority of the working population also. So what is the solution? In my previous lesson, I gave you 3 tips to sharpen your skill of speaking English. Let's have a recap. The very first tip I gave you, read aloud to yourself. Take a piece of conversational English and read it aloud for 15 minutes, the way you talk to someone. A 15 minutes time is more than enough. Just do it every day. Take my word, it will work wonders. I have done it myself. The second tip I gave you, listen to English news daily. Listening is also very good for learning English. And spare 15 minutes of time for yourself and listen to English news. Listen with your headphone on. Just keep your eyes closed and listen to the news. You will learn so many things. And the third tip I gave you that I said in both my videos, learn one new word every day. If you don't know a word, just find out the meaning and make 3-4 sentences. You can keep a diary for yourself. That is also a very good habit. The link of the previous videos are given in the description section down. Just refer to them. And today I am going to give you the 4th tip. You know, you must have noticed our brains continuously think of something. This is the nature of the human brain. If you sit idle, your brain will be thinking something. And when we think, we also talk to someone imaginary. It happens with everyone. There is nothing unnatural actually. We all do it. But this is a very good thing. You can use this habit of brain to learn English. When you talk to someone in your brain, when you think of something and you are talking to someone and talk to him in English, you might not be able to speak correctly. That might happen. No problem. Nobody is listening to you because it is all in your brain. You'll be forced to take a lot of effort in the beginning. That happens. But do it. Whatever you can, it will help you greatly. Whenever you think of something, try to speak in English in your brain. So you have now 4 tips from me. Just practice it. Don't just see the video and go and don't take any effort. So that won't work. Just start from today. You have to do it on your own. You don't need anyone's help. You don't need to try all the four. And I must tell you, you don't need to try all the four tips every day. You can try one or two, but you have to be consistent. Do it daily. Do it at least for 3 months. A 3 months time to learn English is more than enough. I promise you. So that is all for today. Just practice the tips. And if you have any questions, just write in the comment section. I'll answer you. Please like the video and share the video. Your friends will love the videos. And subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon. You will get the notification of future videos. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.